Hi guys, let me introduce to you the Soul Telling Oracle card. Soul Telling Oracle deck containing 62 cards. It includes elements of spirit, soul, emotions, and more. You can use these cards to affirm possibilities in various aspects, such as family, career, money, and they can be used for self-connection and inner growth. Follow your true heart, receiving messages from your spirit, higher self, and guides. This is what I'm talking about. So we'll see. Yes, you can purchase this card to other online selling. Okay, then the soul telling oracle card. Let's check. Okay, okay. So this is a 262 card source telling. So you will know what's the messages here. Okay. Um, okay. Oh, sober remote refuge. Daydream. Okay. We have recalling, memories, retention, return. Okay. Fatigue. Yes, fatigue. Taking time out half time. And this one second immediately now hastily. Enterprising spirit. Pursue achievement. Call. Yeah, just like that. Then the rose. Joy, love, surprise. And then we have heart, loyalty. And A, dedication, judgment. And then D, decision, fullness, restart. Then we have adventure, unknown, courage, thrill. And then we have initiative, set up street for the optimistic. And then we have diligent, focus, breakthrough, vision. And 1 century, long, slow, sluggish. Then book, memory, achievement, spirit, clock, regular, neat, controllable. We have pressure, pain, anxiety, discomfort. Death, live, reject, separate. Curse, supernatural, dilemma, malevolence. And then they also have days, consider foolish, hesitate. Clear purpose, progress, motivation, demand. Okay. We have negotiation, conflict, contradiction, suggestion, wrath, perseverance, steadfastness, strength. Gossip, camouflage, jealous, dark. Length, time thinking, invisible. Snoop, darkness, distrust, curiosity. Pendulum, reincarnation, rhythm, certainty. Black hole, attractive, unpredictable, secret. Love, kind, precious, protective. Energy, abundance, wealth, freedom. Friendly, love, harmony, respect. What's that? reincarnation, reflection cycle fade. Then, focus, serious sensitive concern. Candlelight festival dedication. We have water resources, wealth opportunities. Expressive mastery skill, charisma. No. Negotiation, doubt, speculation. Hourglass, lost, disregarded, reduce. Competent, requirements, tasks, challenges. Meteor, extremely fast, fleeting loss. Happiness, contentment, happiness, satisfaction. Runaway, danger, captivity, freedom. Old memories, experiences, history. And we have also life, joy, rebirth, growth. Password box. Privacy, confidentiality, security. Fire. Enthusiasm, struggle, hope. Temperature, hot, faraway cat. Moon, tenderness, change, tide. Just assignments, procedures, values. Team, spirit, goals, interests, communication. Yes, believe, implement, solve. Reliable, expectation, good news, trust. Acceleration, street, catch up, approach. Time, forgetfulness, scars, accumulation. And we have also confrontation, conflict, comparison, judgment. Child, potential, love, exploration. Anxiety, this is shadow. Okay. Broken, disappointment, disillusionment, heartbreak. Fear, dark, unknown, uneasy. Round, consummation, success, and sun, do not approach, distance, harm. Universe, confusion, distance, alienation. Upright, faith, justice, trust. Land, growth, fertility, life. Okay. Then, you may shuffle the card. You may shuffle the card. Okay. Shuffle the cards. What? Then cut into three. Cut into three. Okay, cut into three. This one. When you cut into three, you will receive the message instantly. Then this one. Then you can explain it one by one. As simple as that. Thank you for watching.